Hey guys, welcome to Kitī Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Hello Kitty. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off with some guidelines to help us get the angle of the head and the body right. Let's first start with a diagonal line across the page here. Now let's add another diagonal line going up and down. And that's it for the guidelines. Next, let's start by drawing the head. Let's start at the top and let's draw a curve for the top of the head. Then let's draw a curve up and then bring it back down on both sides for the ears. Now underneath the ears, let's draw a curve down and in for the side of the head. And the same thing on the other side. Now let's connect them at the bottom with a curve. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move inside and draw the face. Let's start in the middle here and let's draw a sideways oval for the nose. Now let's move over and draw the eyes. Let's start with an oval on the left here. And then one on the right. And now let's color both of the eyes in black. Next, let's move to the sides and add the whiskers. Let's add 3 curves on the left, and then 3 on the right. Next, let's move up and add the bow. On the top right, under the ear, let's draw a circle. Then let's draw a curve up to the left, down, and back in. And the same thing on the other side. And now let's erase the overlapping lines inside. And now inside each side of the bow, let's draw a curve in the middle here. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath and let's draw a U-shaped curve down and back up, using the guideline to help you get the angle. Now from the left, let's draw a curve down and in. And on the right, let's draw an angled line stopping here. Now underneath the right side, let's draw a large oval on an angle for the foot. Now on the left side of the foot, let's draw a curve down and then bring it over to close off the bottom of the other foot. And now let's draw a curve across the left leg for the bottom of the pants. Next, let's move up and draw the arms. On the left side, under the head here, let's draw a curve down. Then a bump up for the thumb, and then curve back down and into the body. And then inside, let's draw a curve for the sleeve. Now let's hop over and draw the right hand. On the bottom right of the head, let's draw a curve up for the thumb. Then let's curve it out and back into the body. Next, let's erase the overlapping headline inside the thumb here. And lastly, let's add a curve inside for the sleeve. And now that we're done drawing, we can erase the guidelines now. And that's it for Hello Kitty. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!